How can I change my child's Apple ID if they are under 13 years of age?
Hello, and welcome to our step-by-step guide. Today, we are going to learn how to change your child's Apple ID if they are under 13 years old. This is something you might need to do if, for instance, you've set up the account with the wrong email or if you need to update the information associated with the account.
Understanding Apple's age restrictions.
Before diving into the steps, it's important to know that Apple has certain restrictions for children under 13. These accounts are considered part of Apple's family sharing setup and can't be fully managed independently. However, as a parent or guardian, you can make certain changes to your child's Apple ID.
Accessing your child's account information.
To get started, you need to access your child's account information. 1. Sign in to your Apple ID account page on your Mac or PC. 2. Go to the Family Sharing section. 3. Select your child's name from the list of family members. Remember, you need to have family sharing set up and be designated as the family organizer to access these settings.
Changing your child's Apple ID information.
Once you've accessed your child's account, you can make the necessary changes. 1. Click on the Edit button next to the Account section. 2. In this section, you can change various details, such as the name, birthday, or security questions. 3. To change the Apple ID email, click on Change Email Address. 4. Enter the new email address and then confirm it. Once you've done that, click on Done to save the changes.
Finalizing the changes.
After making these changes, a verification email will be sent to the new email address. You'll need to verify the new email to finalize the change. Remember, the email address that you use for your child's Apple ID must be unique and not used with another Apple ID. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your child's Apple ID even if they're under 13. Remember that you, as a parent or guardian, have the ability to manage these settings for your child's safety and security. We hope this guide was helpful, and thanks for watching.